Now let's clean up our game cards. The first thing I want to do here is move these icons and the score above the game name. So let's go to our game card component. Here's our heading. Let's move it after the horizontal stack, like this. So take a look. Okay, that's better. But the horizontal stack is currently too close to our heading. So let's give it a bottom margin. So here's our horizontal stack. Let's set margin bottom to 3. Okay, that looks nicer. The next thing I want to improve here is the spacing between the cards. Currently, they're too close to each other. I would prefer to increase the space to open up the page. For that, we have to go to our game grid component. So let's go to game grid component and change the spacing to 6. All right, here's what we get. That looks better. Now, while previewing this page on a large screen, I realized that having 5 columns is a little bit too much. It makes the page a little bit cluttered. So let's reduce this to 4. Okay, we're done with this step. So let's make another commit and say, clean up the game cards.